Before removing the arms, it's important to place a small piece of masking tape next to the blades to remember how they line up. To remove the wipers, I'll remove the nut cover by prying it up. And now I'll hold the wiper down and unscrew the nut. Now I'll wiggle the arm to loosen it. And I'll do the same for the other one. Now to remove the cowl, I'll remove the clips on the sides by pressing the middle down. That releases the clip. And I'll do the same for the other one. Next, I'll remove the covers on the sides by prying the cover up and slide it out. And finally, I'll disengage the clips along the bottom carefully to avoid breaking them. And once they're all disengaged, the cowl can slide down away from the windshield and out. Now to reinstall the wiper cowl, I'll line up the slot on the top of the cowl with the windshield. And once they're lined up, it should slide right on. Now I'll line up the clips and press down to re-engage them. It's important to ensure that the clips have lined up before pressing down, otherwise pressing on them can squish and break them. Next, I'll reinstall the clips and trim covers. I pulled the middle of the clips out first, and I'll press them down to re-engage them. And to reinstall the cover, I'll line it up with the windshield first, and press it down to lock it in. And I'll do the same for the other one. It should make a clicking sound once it's clipped back on. And before installing the wipers, I'll clean the splines with a soft brush to make sure that the wipers seat on properly. Next, I'll reinstall the wipers, making sure to position them at the same angle as before. Now I'll torque the nuts while holding the wiper to prevent strain on the linkage. And I'll push the caps back on. They should snap right on. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Your support is really appreciated. Thanks for watching.